In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and they'll have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Denbigh Primary won and decided to send Creative Kids Learning Academy first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Creative Kids. Bible knowledge, in the time of Moses, what was the 9th plague upon Egypt?
Darkness! Darkness!
Correct. Bible knowledge, Denbigh, in the time of Moses, what was the 10th plague upon Egypt?
Death of firstborn. Death of firstborn.
Correct. Local affairs, it's a visual question, Creative Kids. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Kevin Blake. Kevin Blake.
Commissioner of Police, that's correct. Local affairs, a visual question for you also, Denbigh. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
That's My Color Kids.
Incorrect. Leighton Johnson, JTA President, immediate past President. Science, Creative Kids, what is the smallest unit that makes up the body called?
Atom.
Incorrect. A cell. Denbigh, Science, what makes up a body system?
Organs. Organs.
Correct. Television, a visual question, Creative Kids. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Leonardo DiCaprio. Leonardo DiCaprio.
Incorrect. Zac Efron. Denbigh, television, a visual question for you. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Kate Winslet. Kate Winslet.
Incorrect. Nicole Kidman. English language, Creative Kids, form a noun from precise.
Precision. Precision.
Correct. English language, Denbigh, form a noun from revolve.
Revelation. Revelation.
Incorrect. Revolution or revolver. Sports, a visual question, Creative Kids. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Hansel Parchment. Hansel Parchment.
Jamaican athlete, that's correct. Denbigh, sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
That Elaine Thompson Hera.
Incorrect. Megan Tapper, Jamaican athlete. Creative Kids, general knowledge. Kampala is the capital of which country?
Uganda. Uganda.
Correct. General knowledge. Denbigh, Nairobi is the capital of which country?
Say, Kenya. Yeah? Kenya.
Correct. Social studies, Creative Kids, what is the name of the closest star to the Earth?
The sun. The sun.
Correct. Denbigh, social studies, in which galaxy is the planet Earth located?
The Milky Way. Yeah.
The Milky Way.
That's right. Creative Kids, music. To which specific family of instruments does the flute belong?
Woodwind. Woodwind.
Correct. Denbigh, music. To which family of instruments does the tambourine belong?
Brass wind.
Percussion.
Percussion.
Correct. Mathematics, Creative Kids, what number, when added to 199, is equal to 458?
259. 259.
That's right. Denbigh, mathematics, what number, when added to 139, is equal to 513?
374.
374.
That's right. Creative Kids, Jamaican affairs, which hurricane affected Jamaica in July 2024?
Hurricane Beryl. Hurricane Beryl.
Correct. Denbigh, Jamaican affairs, what category storm was Hurricane Beryl when it passed just south of Jamaica in July 2024?
Category 4. Category 4.
Correct. Science, Creative Kids, is bile in the human body manufactured by the liver, kidney, or pancreas?
Liver. Liver.
Correct. Science, Denbigh, is the trachea in humans the same as the lungs, spinal cord, or windpipe?
Windpipe.
Windpipe.
Correct. Sports, Creative Kids, and we don't have time for any more questions. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Creative Kids Learning Academy on 10 and Denbigh Primary on 8. Please stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge quiz returns after these messages.